Hi, welcome to this Pen Publishing Interactive video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a user in FlipperSD CMS. Let's get started. I'm already logged into my website that runs on FlipperSD CMS. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the Users tab here. Then I'm going to expand that and I'm going to click Users. And in this interface will show you all the users that you currently have. To add a new user, you simply click the green button that says Add New User. And here's where we can begin to create our new user for our website. So I'm going to create John Doe. And then I'm going to set a password that I already have. I'm just going to copy and paste it. And then I'm going to create an email or add an email. The other thing you can do here is you can set the time zone for this user. We are in Central Standard Time, so that's how I'm going to leave that alone. And then I'm going to set a role for this user. So John Doe is going to be an admin for my website, so that's what I'm going to set it to. You can have different roles here. You can actually create your own roles, and you just go to the roles area and follow a similar process as this. Once I am happy with what I have on my screen, I am just simply going to hit save. And now John Doe is there. So that's how easy it is to create a user in FlipperSD CMS. I hope this video has been beneficial. And if you want to learn more about our company and our products and services, please visit our website at penpublishing.com. If you're on Twitter or Facebook, like us there or find us there, follow us there. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel so you can see these videos as we release them. Thank you, and until next time.